Thanks for stopping by for another video, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I'll be showing you what I picked up from the 2024-2025 Laurel Denise academic launch, and I am beyond excited to dive in. And if you happen to see anything that you like, be sure to use code Stephany10 to save on your order, and as always, I truly do appreciate that. But before we get started, I did want to quickly show you all of the planners that were launched with this collection. So the two horizontal planners are Sugar Plum and Flower Bed. Then we have the two mini horizontal planners, which are Cloudy and Quite Contrary. Next, we have the two new portrait planners in Evergreen and Crowd Favorite. Then we also have the two mini vertical planners, which are Treasure and Stamp Collector. Then we have the regular vertical planners, which are Cranberry Tart and Jane and the Beanstalk. And finally, we have the teacher planners in Love Bug and Windblown. It is such a beautiful collection, and there's definitely something for everyone. So be sure to use code Stephany10 to save on your order, and don't forget to check out all of the new accessories as well. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get into my order, because look how beautiful these boxes are. And as you can see, I went ahead and picked up 3 planners. So I think that I'm going to start with the bigger one, because this one is actually their new layout, which is their portrait layout, and I am beyond excited about it. I feel like this one is going to be super popular, and let's just go ahead and dive right in. And look how beautiful the tissue paper is. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty, and the box itself is gorgeous as well. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. So here we have Crowd Favorite in the new portrait layout, and look at how beautiful the print is. And as you can see, it does have a spiral coil. It is 9.75 inches wide and 11 inches high. And actually, this specific print in a Monday start is running low on their website. So if you guys like it, definitely don't sleep on it, but remember that there is also the evergreen option. So let's go ahead and dive right in, because I am beyond excited. So here we have the inside, and as you can see, it does have a print and a pocket as well. And of course, we are going to get the 2 bookmarks that we always see in their planners. And then we have the name page, and as we flip this over, we are going to get 2024 holidays on the left and 2025 holidays on the right. And then as far as these little boxes, we have goals and things to remember for that specific month. And then right away, we are going to be led into the first monthly tab, and actually the monthly tabs are 120-pound paperweight, and all of the other pages are 80-pound paperweight. So yeah, these are definitely thick. And so let's go ahead and check out the new portrait layout, and oh my gosh, it is so nice to see it in person. And so what I love about Laurel Denise planners is that you can see the monthly overview and the weekly overview as well. And as far as the portrait planner, all of the weekly views are down here at the bottom. So like I said, this one is a Monday start, and it does end on Sunday. We have a little notes section here. We are going to get 5 daily habits right under the monthly view on the left-hand page, and then 4 blank little boxes here to do whatever we would like. And then we do have dot grid over here. And so as we flip to the weekly view, here we have to do this week, and then we have Monday through Sunday, and it is lined, which I absolutely love. And I don't know if this was on purpose or if it was just a little coincidence, but as you can see, Monday lines up with the monthly view and the weekly view leading all the way down. And so I don't know if that was on purpose or not, but I really love that. And so yeah, all of the weekly pages are going to be down here at the bottom, and as we reach the end of the month, we are going to get just some dot grid over here. So yeah, I really love this layout. I think it's going to be amazing, and I'm actually thinking about using this layout as my social media planner, because if you guys have been here for a while, you know that I've been struggling with my social media planner, and actually I had already bought a regular vertical layout, and I don't know, it just felt way too big and I actually never used it. And so yeah, I've been on the struggle bus lately with my social media planner, but I feel like this one could work out. And if it doesn't, I actually picked up another planner that I think would be amazing. So yeah, I am super excited about this, and I just love how neutral and simple all of the pages are. No color, no design whatsoever. And what makes me a little bit nervous about this layout are the pages down here. And so as you can see, they kind of move a lot because they are smaller pages. So what I was actually thinking about doing is maybe grabbing a paper clip and the month and simply clipping the weekly view kind of down like that. That way it's not moving. So I won't know if it's really a problem until I really get into it, but I feel like that's a super easy fix. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see how that ends up turning out. And so that is exactly how all of the months and the weeks are set up. And so then we also have a notes page back here. And then we have plan ahead, and then July 2025 through June 2026. And then we have yearly wins, yearly lessons, and then we also have some note pages. So we have graph here and then dot grid over here. And then we have like a little currently section over here, and it says books I'm reading, things I'm listening to, happy moments, gratitude, hobbies, ways I'm moving my body, I'm excited for, and I am hopeful for. And again, we have the print and the pocket over here, and that leads us to the very back of the planner. So yeah, I am super excited about this layout. Let me know what you guys think, and I cannot wait to get started with this planner. So let me go ahead and show you what else I picked up. So here we have this beautiful mini vertical planner in the stamp collector cover, and look at how pretty she is. She is super duper tiny compared to the portrait. Here we have a quick little size reference, and then here is that one as well. And so yeah, I love the minis. I feel like the mini is my happy place. I tried like planning and using the regular vertical planner, but I just felt like it was way too big. And so yeah, I feel like I am at my happy place in mini planners with Laurel Denise. And so this is actually the other option as far as my social media planner as well. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use the portrait layout or the mini vertical. Let's just go ahead and see, because I can already tell that she is just super adorable and super cute. And so here is the print on the inside, and we do have a pocket here as well. Like I said, we always get our 2 bookmarks. And then we have the name page, we have the calendars here, and let's go ahead and check out the mini vertical layout. And oh my gosh, I just knew it. She is so adorable and just so cute. The columns are definitely tiny. And if you go on their website, there is always all of the measurements and dimensions for like the columns, the monthly view, these sections, just everything will be on their website. So if you guys are curious and you guys want to see if this would work for you, yeah, definitely check out the website. But they are teeny tiny, because if I show you the regular vertical planner, you are going to see a difference. And I don't think this even fits in the frame. This is how big the regular planner is. So here is the weekly view here. So if you guys wanted to see a quick little comparison, here we have the columns. So they're just a little bit smaller, not too much, but they are smaller. And then here is the monthly view as well. So yeah, like I said, if you guys want exact measurements, definitely check out the website. We do have the dates up here at the top, and then we have the to do this week, and then we also have the section in case you want to turn this into like an hourly planner. But she is just way too stinking adorable, and so yeah, I don't know if I want to use the portrait layout or the mini vertical as my social media planner. And then we also get a habit tracker all the way in the back. We have dot grid here and a to do this month, and this one is just blank. But yeah, I love the fact that it's dated. I don't have to worry about that because yeah, I was running low on months and days because I am also kind of redating my Erin Condren. What is it? My Erin Condren. Oh my gosh, I am drawing a blank. Vertical compact. And so, yeah, I got the 18-month on that one so I can get started earlier, but these ones are just 12 months. So I am planning to dive into one of these planners sooner rather than later. So definitely stay tuned because I have been itching to get into a planner for social media and it just hasn't happened. So I am really excited about these two options. I think they are both great for that, or as a catch-all, or as a fitness planner, or just anything. These planners are just amazing. So yeah, every single month and week is going to be the exact same. And as we flip over to the notes page, we are going to get the same setup with all of the notes, the dates, and then we also get the back pocket over here as well. And so the last planner that I picked up is a mini horizontal, and look at how beautiful this cover is. I really love it. It is just so beautiful. And actually, I am using my mini horizontal, which is undated, as a fitness planner, and I am really obsessed with it. But like I said, it is undated, and I would prefer a dated planner. So I cannot wait to dive into this one and just be dated and set. So here is the inside print, and it is just so gorgeous. And again, here are the rulers or the bookmarks, either way. And then we have the name page, and then we are going to get those calendars. And then here is the horizontal. And as I'm looking at this, because like I said, I have an undated one, the dates are right over here. I am currently like going up the page like that. And actually, if I show you, here is my undated planner, which is working out amazing, and I really love it. I have all of these videos on my channel, so I'll go ahead and link that playlist at the end of this one in case you guys are interested in my previous haul and how I'm using my planner and just a recap. Everything will be linked there, so yeah, definitely check it out. But yeah, I love the way that I'm setting it up. Like I said, all of the dates are kind of going up the page like that. I am adding the weather, and then these are my Apple Watch stats. These are the stats on the treadmill, and I am tracking my water intake. And as you can see, I went ahead and added the habit tracker from the end of the week over here because that just really gives me a way better overview, and I'm not constantly having to flip it to the very end of the week to track my habits. This is just so much better. So I will continue using a mini horizontal as my fitness planner, but it is now going to be dated, which I am super excited about. So yeah, the dates are right over here. So maybe I could do the weather right down here, and then do my not my Apple Watch, but my treadmill stats and water intake over here. And then we do have a blank section for this week, and that is the way that this horizontal is set up. And so as we flip to the very back, of the weekly section, we do have this habit tracker. So as you saw, I went ahead and placed it over here, which is working amazing. But I also don't know if I am ever going to need it. Well, this is dated. I was able to do it on the other one because it was undated, but because this one is dated, now that I think about it, it is great that I also picked up these habit tracker inserts. And so these ones are meant to be for the regular planner, but I think that I might be able to kind of trim it down and make it work for me. That way I am not taking out this one and placing it over here now that I have a dated planner. So yeah, I might just take this and kind of place it over here. So yeah, I'm really happy that I picked these ones up. And so that is basically how this one is set up, and I am super, super excited to be in a dated planner. So here's the very back, and so yeah, I am loving this planner. I think it is so beautiful. I cannot wait to continue to use a mini horizontal as my fitness planner. And like I said, I still don't know what I'm gonna use for my social media planner, but I feel like any of these options would be amazing, and I am looking to get started with these now, so definitely stay tuned for that. I would rather much dive in sooner rather than later because I am just way too excited. And so yeah, definitely stay tuned for that. Don't forget, everything will be linked down in the description box below, and don't forget to use code Stephany10 to save on your order. But for now, I cannot wait to get started. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.